of a tragedy unfolding. Journalists and pundits should not manufacture a blood libel that serves only to incite the very hatred and violence that they purport to condemn. That is reprehensible.
Sarah Palin's online video that started a whole new controversy this week, and we're back now with the panel. It's understandable that Governor Palin would react and want to respond to those critics who tried to link her language and her map with the crosshairs on it to the terrible tragedy in Tucson. But by the time she issued her video on Wednesday, that argument by the left had been largely discredited. So, Brit, the question is, was her video a mistake?
Well, you know, she's entitled to say it, and most of what she said, I think, was unexceptionable. She gave them a phrase, her critics a phrase, that the phrase blood libel, which, as Alan Dershowitz pointed out, is in common parlance meaning something other than what it historically has referred to. My sense about it is that I didn't find anything particularly wrong with her video. What I did take away from it is, if you're not running for president and you're caught up in a controversy like this, why would you have this highly produced video? I mean, it smelled like a presidential candidate to me, and I had my doubts about whether she's running for president. After this episode, I'm beginning to think that maybe she will indeed run.